Using PayPal gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to add funds to your PayPal account easily. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Purchase a PayPal gift card. Buy a PayPal gift card from a retailer or online. Ensure that the card is valid and has not been scratched off or damaged. Step 2. Log into your PayPal account. Go to the PayPal website or open the PayPal app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 3. Navigate to the Add Funds section. Once logged in, look for the Add Funds or Add Money option in your account dashboard. This is typically found under the Wallet section. Step 4. Enter gift card information. Select the option to add funds using a gift card. Enter the card number and any required PIN or security code as instructed. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Review the information you entered to ensure it is correct. Click on the Confirm button to complete the transaction. The funds should be added to your PayPal balance shortly. Now you can use your PayPal balance for purchases or transfers. Enjoy the convenience of using your gift card.